So this is a turbo inlet. It already has our S&B Resonator Delete Cap on it. And today I'm going to show you how to remove your factory resonator with a T27 Torx and install the S&B piece. So now with the T27 bolt removed, and kind of pry it away, and we're going to be getting into that hose clamp. So now with an 8mm or a flathead, we're going to get onto that hose clamp that's holding the resonator onto the turbo inlet. Now we have that hose clamp loose. We have our bolt removed as well, and so we'll just pry this one out just like this so you can see what it looks like. And this is the resonator that just baffles the sound, limits airflow a tad as well, but it's more just for that factory drone or sound, eliminating the turbo whistle. So now with the factory resonator off, we're going to use that same 8mm and tighten down the S&B Resonator Delete. And that completes the install for the S&B Resonator Delete for the 01 to 10 Duramax trucks. Let us know if you have any questions.